Yo, eat some food with me because I want to make a TikTok and my Chinese food looks bussin'. And my dog is next to me begging as usual. But I'm going to be using this really, really hot, spicy mustard sauce. And check out the new fit. Check out the new hoodie. It's really soft, and my boss actually bought it for me because all the other girls have like hoodies. Yeah, and I was like, where's mine? So actually his mother-in-law brought it in for me this morning, and it was 80 degrees in New Jersey today, but it was very thoughtful of her. Look at my hair, y'all. I'm feeling these dumplings. I just got out of the shower and I did not put any product or styling gel in my hair because I wanted to let it dry. I'm dyeing my roots tomorrow. Tomorrow I am not working for my 9 to 5, but I am getting my first, I'm having my first appointment for my teeth because I'm getting my teeth done. They're all paid for. It's costing about $900 per tooth, and no, my insurance is not paying for it because it's considered cosmetic, for those of you that are wondering. The process is $5,000 in total. It's $2,000 for like the teeth, and $3,000 for like the doctor. So everyone knows that I'm really into like beauty and body modification, but I wasn't going to go get a consultation for a tummy tuck or a BBL when my teeth aren't perfect. If I was a dancer or I worked at a club where I wore less clothing, I might have. But I'm a waitress and a bartender, and I started bartending 5 weeks ago. I've been a waitress for 19 years, since I am 17. I'm pregnant with my oldest child. He's 18. And I was going to go to cooking school, but mathematics is a big part of cooking school. And I figured if I am going to learn anything, I'm going to learn about alcohol, and I'm going to teach myself because I can make $300 to $400 on a Friday and Saturday night rather than work 6 days a week waitressing, selling pancakes. Right now, I'm in the process of getting my teeth done, getting my education, paying off my fines from when I was not a law-abiding citizen, and working on a lot of things that I don't talk about because everyone knows that I have emotion. And a lot of people hate on me, judge me, sleep on me, gossip about me. report my accounts, community guideline me, and I'm just trying to keep to myself and continue to be a hardworking mother and woman. And I see a lot of times when accounts get to 1,000 followers, they're just begging. A lot of times they're telling their sob story, trying to make people feel sorry for them. And I've lost loved ones, just like everyone else. I've had financial issues, ups and downs. Addiction problems, family problems, mental health problems, accidents, health problems, you name it, bad relationships, and I came out of it strong. I do have a YouTube channel, and basically, because the whole world is online panhandling, I'm really falling back from TikTok. I'm putting all my effort into work and into an education because even though the internet allows some people to make good amounts of money, you have to be super popular, super good looking, super organized, and have a fire body in order for this app to really recognize you. And I'm very confident. It's just that, like, I don't really meet the genre of people who these kids, like, allow to influence them. I'm seeing that it's a younger crowd, and I was taught, like, get in where you fit in, so that's what I'm doing, and I love you guys.